I like hopping out that Bentley Tron, trying to see it still. They keep speaking on Q5, but they ain't never been on no drip. Lil' bro tries to spin my block, but he don't know how to work that whip. I mean, bitch, gun him up, he get beat out with that steel.
He just beat out with that steel, he know how to work the wheel. Ask that pussy boy, how that hot shit really fucking feel. When we on the drill, ain't no playing, no we ain't the kill. Niggas playing guys up in the streets, you know we keep it real. Gotta keep it real, these niggas being fake. Being gang, talking about LuhhQuay-Hurricane, you know we don't come to play. Up in K, yeah, shoot shit by day, you know we ain't for the face. Pussy boy, talking about call it 12, you know we duckin' J's. We finna run it up, yeah, we finna turn up on some hot shit. Fuck nigga, play with LuhhQuay, bitch, you gon' die quick. I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm about that dumb bitch. They just know you're home, my dick, at the end of the day, that's really it. Yo, free the guys, huh? Free the members, free the bros. Now we hitting shit every day until the whistle blow. And we on the road, steady tucking, and we gripping poles. Yeah, we work the wheel at the same time, little nigga, that's how the shit go. Spin this shit till we get dizzy, spin this shit, it ain't no miss. Yeah, cap that nigga doing all that line in this route, doing all that diss. Yeah, pussy boy, better stop playing these games before you go miss. I would hate to have to fuck around, do your ass like Liam Neeson. Yeah, I'm trying to stay up on that rock, but these niggas trying me. Trying to get it back and run it up by my lonely. Yeah, hey, these pussy boys really think they know me. You talking gangsta shit, little bitch, you gon' have to show me. Gon' have to show me that. Show me you want some. Gon' have to show me that. Pussy boy, you ain't know nothing. Hey, y'all niggas hoes. Hey, y'all niggas bitches. Y'all on mad dick, little nigga, and I'm being serious. I'm trying not to crash out, but I'm on their ass now. These niggas mad, I'm in my bag now, bitch, get in time out. Get off your ass and get in your bag now, bitch, I'm a cash cow. I need that money like I need that shit, I'm talking about right now. Hey, y'all pussy niggas, jokes, nigga, talking about real clowns. Ain't spillin' for nothing, y'all niggas ain't spillin' for shit. Look who the clown now.
I like hopping out that Bentley Tron, trying to see it still. They keep speaking on Q5, but they ain't never been on no drip. Lil' bro tries to spin my block, but he don't know how to work that whip. I mean, bitch, gun him up, he get beat out with that steel.